Welcome to the Blooms and Herbs Garden. Gardening friends, you know that as the days slowly start to warm and the first hints of spring begin to show, gardeners everywhere feel the excitement of the growing season ahead. While it might still be too early to plant warm season crops, there are plenty of tasks to check off your list to set yourself up for a productive and beautiful spring garden. Here are 10 essential things to do before your last frost date. The first step in preparing for spring is knowing your local last frost date. I'm sure you've already checked yours, right? This date helps guide your planting schedule and ensures you don't sow tender plants too early. Look up your area's frost date online or check with your local extension office. The last thing you'd want is for an unexpected cold snap to hit, and all your work would be in vain. Protect early crops like lettuce, spinach, and radishes from unexpected frosts by setting up cold frames or row covers. These simple structures can extend your growing season and give your seedlings a strong start. Before the season kicks into high gear, take inventory of your tools. Disinfect your tools, clean off any rust, sharpen blades, and repair or replace broken tools. Properly maintained tools will make your gardening tasks easier and more efficient. Many plants, such as tomatoes, peppers, and eggplants, benefit from an early start indoors. Check seed packets for specific timelines, typically 6-8 weeks before your last frost date. Use warming mats, seed starting trays, good quality potting mix, and ensure adequate light for healthy seedlings. Sketch out your garden layout, taking into account crop rotation, companion planting, and sunlight needs. These are important steps in your layout, and planning now will save you time and ensure every plant has the best chance to thrive. If you haven't already, you should order seeds, soil amendments, and other supplies. Early ordering ensures you'll have everything you need when it's time to plant, avoiding delays during peak season. Once the soil is workable, clean up garden beds by removing debris, weeds, and any remaining mulch from last season. Loosen the soil with a garden fork and add fresh compost or organic matter to replenish nutrients. Coffee grounds, crushed eggshells, to name a few. Healthy soil is the foundation of a successful garden. Test your soil's pH and nutrient levels using a home test kit or send a sample to a local lab. Based on the results, amend your soil with lime, sulfur, or organic fertilizers as needed. Late winter or early spring is the perfect time to prune dormant trees and shrubs. For example, hydrangeas. Remove dead, damaged, or crossing branches to promote healthy growth and improve airflow. Don't forget about your feathered friends. Birds help control pests and pollinate plants. Clean and refill bird feeders to attract them to your garden early in the season. After all, you'll need them in the garden. By tackling these tasks now, you'll be well prepared to hit the ground running when spring arrives. With a little preparation, you'll set the stage for a productive and rewarding growing season. Happy gardening! Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.